How to fix high memory usage on Roblox. In this video, I'm going to provide you the most convenient troubleshooting step for you to bypass this kind of issue on Roblox. Now, everybody knows that you just need to free up some storage or space from the drive that you're using. However, if you've already done that, here's the other thing that you can do. Go into your Windows search, type in run, and then in here, type in regedit and choose on yes. And then you will have this window right here. Next is to go into a local machine and then go into system, and then from system choose on control set 001, scroll all the way down here and choose on control. Now you're going to be seeing a lot here, but you just need to scroll down and then look for there's going to be session manager, and then on the second tab double click this and change the value data into 1 and then hit on OK. Try to relaunch the game and it should be fixed. And that's how you fix high memory usage on Roblox.